I got into welding by going to a vocational school, starting in 11th grade. That's where I took off my career from there. I was told about all the shortages of welders that are needed in the industry, so I knew if I took a career in welding that I would always be needed and I would never be, having to find a job. I used to be a mechanic with my dad, so I figured, I'm really good with my hands, and being a welder would take my, skills to another level.
I first got inspired to be a welder just hanging out with my dad, honestly, going to the job sites with him. He was in the heavy construction, paving industry, so going to his shop and being able to see the welders there that he was so stoked to see. He wasn't a welder, but I kind of always remembered that, and as soon as I had the chance to strike an arc for the first time, I definitely, got on it.
When I started welding, I was following after my father's footsteps and doing construction trades, and I was climbing up a ladder one day carrying a bunch of 2x4s and plywood, and my back was hurting, and I was 18 years old and said this is not for me. So I went to school for motorsports fabrication and auto body, pretty much where it started.
I went to college for creative studies in downtown Detroit for furniture design and blacksmithing. I was exposed to a whole array of materials and processes, and welding kind of just stuck out, and I like the fact that with metal, it doesn't break like maybe glass or wood will, and you can always repair it. And I love the processes. I kind of just stuck in the metal shop at school and kept taking more and more classes, and those eventually led to jobs in fabricating with metal.